Hello, welcome to video tutorial presenting how to purchase and register new number and manage call flow through Dzinga platform. So let's start. First step is to log in on your Dzinga account. Then, when you see the panel, go to Numbers section and click. Here you see the list of available numbers. If you would like to purchase a new number, just simply click on the tab Buy Number. Here you can see the list of available numbers for your country. If you would like to purchase number for a different country, you can also easily select this country from the list below. If you are searching for the landline number, you can also select city. Please remember that within your package there are already free landline, national and mobile numbers. Only toll-free numbers are not included in the packages. So, if you would select a toll-free number here, please remember that this is additionally paid. So, select the number you would like to purchase. Here, you see the list of available numbers and number of free slots. If you would like to purchase this specific number, please simply click on Buy button. After a few seconds, number will be registered. Congratulations! Now you can use this number to receive and make calls. Right now, simply find your number on this list. You need to go to My Numbers section. And right there, you have your number registered. We always suggest to add a name to this number because it's much easier later on to maintain this number and manage. Click Save. Next step is to set up call flow scheme for newly added number. On scheme, you can manage how to split incoming calls, depends on the day and time, and how to add voice menu and other elements. In other words, call flow scheme allows you to fully organize incoming traffic. To make it happen, please click on Call Flow Management. Right now, find your number and the registered scheme. If you don't have already existing scheme, simply create the new one by clicking Create Scheme. Here, in the scheme name box, just simply add name and choose source. So basically here, find your number and click Create. Perfect. Now scheme is ready. Next step is to customize it. Simply click on it. Here you can see a new page. Click on plus button and you'll see the two categories, filter and item. First, let's focus on the filter. Filter is designed for dividing calls. Let's add a schedule from filter list. Schedule is designed for splitting calls on streams, depending on day and time of incoming calls. You can create different rules that will allow you to manage the call traffic. For example, right now let's focus on Monday till Friday and let's create a rule for every single day, from Monday till Friday. So the working hours from 8 in the morning till 4:30. It's very simple, as you can see. After that, all sections that are not covered by the rule will be automatically switched to the other time rule on a scheme. Remember that you can create more than just one rule. Just simply by clicking plus button. You can also easily remove the rules from the scheme. Now, let's add voice menu to the scheme. It's also extremely simple. Just simply click and select voice menu. Right now, we can select different languages: English, Netherlands, Polish, or Czech. From the list below, we can select one of customized messages, or we can upload own file. It's very simple and intuitive. Very easily you can create your own scenario. For example, when the caller is inactive, you can decide that this call will be redirected to the voicemail. Just simply input mail, and that's it. You can also create the other rule. In voicemail, you can assign to digits different features, different redirections. For example, by clicking 1, you can be redirected to a group of people. Just select a specific group. Or you can be connected directly with user registered in your system. Please remember that those scenarios must be later added to your scheme. Dialing to extension number is possible from voice menu by pressing 0. This is set by default. Now, after clicking Add, we are ready to receive calls on working hours. As you can see, the scenario is ready. Please remember to click Save button. After a few seconds, it's fully completed. Congratulations, you have just learned how to purchase, register new number, and create a scheme. Thank you for watching.